welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Guys, today we're going to be talking about something different. So today I was originally going to be having the video of the exhaust review coming out, but we're going to be pushing that to Wednesday because it's been snowing out. It's been awful. It hasn't been the greatest. It's been rainy, either snowing or rainy. Hasn't been great. So we're going to be pushing that video. So today we're going to be talking about my experience, my poor-ish experience with aFe power. And the reason why I'm not going to go ahead and 100% push to recommend the exhaust that I put on my car. So first things first, make sure we're hydrating. And of course, make sure you're clicking that subscribe button down below before the video starts to make sure you stay up to date with future content. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Channel's growing rapidly. Trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. Not sure if we can do it, but we're going for it. We got about 2 months left. Going to be consistently grinding, so hopefully we can hit it. Now I did get this in the mail finally. Let's go ahead and just pop it open and show you guys what we got going on here. So open it up, and there's no packing in there at all. This is just a prime example of why I can't recommend this company. So overall, the exhaust, I mean, it sounds okay. I was really excited about it at first, whatever, but you're gonna get these clamps that come with like a 15mm bolt. The clamps are pretty good. I mean, it's a clamp though. And then here we've got the black exhaust tip. So I just got this in today. You saw it's coming out the bubble wrap. Let me see if I can get a close-up on this without it messing up. Probably won't be able to get a good focus on it with the lighting and stuff. But there's so many scratches around the edges here. All around the edges, all scratched up and scuffed up. Around the outside, you can kind of see it there. Super scuffed up, scratched up, markings everywhere. It's like raw metal scratches, like pretty deep gouges. On the inside here, there's some pretty bad ones. I mean, this one right here, I don't know if you guys can even see right in front of my finger. Like, it's a really, really deep one. But yeah, so this is the exhaust tip that I'm gonna have to go slap on the car because it didn't come with it when I first did it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into this video now. Now that you've seen kind of like prime example of why. It's kind of funny that this just came in today as I'm recording this video, but I can't go ahead and recommend this to people based on the poor experience that I've had overall. So I've written a complete breakdown here on my phone that shows kind of my process with ordering this exhaust and the issues that I've had. So I ordered it on September 5th. Today is, let's see. Today is October 31st, and I'm just getting the exhaust tip now. Okay, like whatever, it's fine if they would have told me. So when you go on their website, I'll scroll through it now, I'll put it on the screen. But when you go on their website, it doesn't say that the part is back ordered or the exhaust is back ordered or anything like that. But in fact, it is. So I ordered it, which is fine. Like if it was back ordered and it said it, I would have just ordered it and that would have been fine. But it didn't say that. So around the 22nd or so of September, so roughly like 2.5 weeks later, haven't heard anything at all on it. So I called to see what was the update, how long it was going to take, if it was back ordered, if it was cool, whatever. But like how long was it going to be? So right around then, they said it would ship within the first week of October. So I'm thinking, you know, by the 7th, maybe the 8th, I'll get some sort of processing notification or something, right? No. So on October 5th, I sent them an email just asking them to confirm with me that the order was in fact going to be shipping that week and just kind of that everything was going smoothly. No response on that, but I'll touch on that later. So around the 12th, I started calling them and I was told to call them again on the 19th. Now, before I say this, I'm not trying to trash the company. Their customer service team, if you guys are watching this, if you do stumble across this video, you guys were great and super professional on the phone. You guys did a good job. But either who you guys were passing it to or whoever was running it or whatever, it was just not getting done right. And just overall, there was a lot of back and forth confusion. And I don't think it was very well handled. So on the 19th, so they tell me to call back on the 19th and they'll have it pushed for shipping because that's when it should be done being made basically. And then they'll go ahead and get it shipped out. So I said, okay, whatever, that's cool. So I called on the 19th. They say, yep, it's in stock. It's going to be shipping today. And again, nothing happens. I don't get any shipping notifications. I don't get anything at all indicating, like on the website where you can look up your order status, anything indicating that the order was processed or anything at all. So at this point, I called them again 2 days later. So I gave it 2 days to see if it was gonna finish up with the processing and the shipping. Gave it 2 days, called them back, and again they said, oh, we don't know why it didn't ship. They couldn't figure it out. It's not in stock now. Who did you speak with? Well, like a lot of confusion on their end. So they asked if they could call me back and whatever. So when they called me back, I think it was maybe 4 or 5 hours later, something like that. They say, okay, you ordered the black one, but we don't have it in stock. Something went wrong with our shipping team or something. They didn't ship your order out like it was supposed to. So we do have the polished tip in stock or whatever. So we're going to send you that. And then in a few days, we're going to send you a black tip, which, as you can tell, I got. But now this is kind of the thing, right? So I'm like, okay, finally it's going to ship. Finally everything's going to be going how they're saying, right? So I say, you know, okay, that's cool. Thank you very much. You know what I mean? Like, I was very polite through the whole thing. You know what? I'm not rude to people like that. 2 days later, still no shipping emails on either the tip or the exhaust itself. So now I'm kind of getting a little bit more frustrated. I know I've been waiting months for this. And like I said, if it would have been like on the website, oh, back ordered until earliest ship date this or whatever, but I had been told that it was going to be shipped on these dates. So that was kind of messed me up, and I wanted to do the video on it. I wanted it for the car, you know, right when I got it. So, then 2 days later, still no shipping emails. But so before I actually jumped to the 2 days later, what actually happened was that day I got a response on the 21st, which was like 15, 16 days after I sent that email. They replied and said, oh, we don't have that in stock. Hopefully by the 30th it'll be processed and ready for shipping. And I was like, I replied back, I just got off the phone with you guys who said that you were shipping, that it was supposed to ship with a black tip. So now there's even more confusion going on. One person's telling me something, the other person's telling me something, the other people aren't doing the stuff that they're supposed to be doing. It was just altogether an awful experience. So 2 days later, still no shipping emails come through for the tip or the exhaust itself. So I called them again, and then they told me that they're going to call me back to figure it out because, again, they were confused as I was because they didn't know how this was happening and how it wasn't sent. So at that point, they called me back a few hours later where I finally got the tracking link for the exhaust, but still nothing for the tip. So they're saying that it was going to go out like right then. They're going to go bring it over to shipping and make sure it's going out that day, which was a Friday. And they finally got me I finally got the tracking link in my email for this exhaust tip that I just got in today on the following Monday, which was a week ago from when this video will be going live. So it would have been a week, I don't even know. So yeah, but anyway, with the shipping, you know what I mean? The shipping's not the problem at all. It was just kind of the back and forth and the extreme confusion of not knowing where my order was, when it was going to be shipping, when it was coming. People giving me different dates, other people giving me other dates, not showing that it's back order on the website. Just a lot of stuff that they can improve on. So don't take this video as like me just ragging on them, because I might order the intake from them, give them another shot kind of thing. But like I said, overall my experience was really not that good. And so if you guys are commenting down below, a few people have asked about the exhaust and like if they like it or if it's good and stuff like that. And I just can't go ahead and be like, yeah, it's great, you know, go ahead and recommend it. Another minor issue that I didn't really talk about is when I was doing that install in my previous video on Friday, which has been doing pretty well on the channel. The muffler piece where the end is like this, where it's slotted and like is where you clamp it. All these were all bent up. I don't know. This one's pretty round. This one doesn't look bad, but it was all bent up, like it was bonked around either in processing or shipping or something. I don't know, but it was pretty bent up, so I had to actually take a hammer to that and tap it back into place, which kind of annoyed me on a brand new exhaust for the car. So that's another point that kind of really gave me a little bit of a negative, bad taste in my mouth for the company. And like I said, I'm not trying to hate on the company. By all means, order from them if you guys like the sound, if you like everything that like it looks and everything like that on the car from my previous video. By all means, you guys do that. Like I said, just do your research on it and see after this video if you guys are fine waiting and kind of being bobbled around like that. That's your personal like preference. For me, I prefer to have a set date and everything be kind of where it's supposed to be when I want it to be, so, or when I need it to be, or when I'm told it's going to be. So that's probably going to be about it for this video, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you click that like button down below. Helps the channel out, helps the videos get out to more people, helps me grow on my way to that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. Comment any questions or experiences that you guys have had with the company down below, either good or bad. Like I said, I'm not trying to trash the company. If you guys are watching from the company, then let me know down below what was going on and how you guys could improve on it. If you guys do want some more feedback on it, I'm happy to give you that. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with future content. We got new videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. But that's going to be about it. Thanks for watching. Peace!